That's Dude.
That's Dude.
And welcome to
Lazyboys Night.
You know, I gotta say, for a can that's black, I was expecting a beer that was darker for some reason.
Yeah, oh, there's sediment in this, dude. I just saw it dump into
but I think this one is supposed to be because it's a hazy.
Oh, okay, hazy, big time.
It's a hazy IPA. It's called the Holy Trinity Hazy IPA by Rouge River Brewing Company.
Rouge River.
Rouge River. I think
River?
they're in Markham.
Rouge River.
They're in Rouge River. Yes, I think they're in Markham.
Rouge River, Markham.
Yeah, I believe it's supposed to be somewhat sedimenty. Is that a word?
Sedimenti.
Sedimenti.
Hey, sedimenti.
Stereotype.
We're not
to all
stereotypical.
The Italian community.
Oh,
we apologize.
that smells awesome, though.
This is going to be a breakfast beer.
Oh,
we'll find
let's
out.
It's just two guys talking. There they go again, saying anything. Talking about nothing. Nothing new to say. Talking anyway. So much to review. So let's have a cold brew. A cold brew. Everybody's talking. It's not anything. No one's listening. Talking about nothing. They're all yammering. I can't hear a thing. Nothing I can do. So let's have one more brew. One more brew.
Breakfast beer.
Big time. Big
Well,
time breakfast beer.
the hazies tend to be more fruity tropical.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of sediment here, but that's all right. It's like the pulp in your orange juice, right?
It looks like orange juice
It does.
mixed with something else. Mimosa. What else? We had a mimosa.
It's nice. It's nice. Although it's not as citrusy as some of the other ones we've
No.
had. It's got a little bit of more of a bitter to it, like a lot of IPAs. But I'm enjoying this.
Yeah, this is very nice.
Very nice.
Definitely a
All right,
breakfast
so
beer.
Holy Trinity.
We salute
Is that
you
sacrilegious?
with it. I don't know, is it? We still bless you. Hey, they got the
Holy Grail on there.
grill on it, so we're
Yeah,
good.
there we go. All right, so what's going on, dude?
All right. So, for our new season in the new year,
Which we've been in for over a month now.
but we haven't done one thing we haven't done yet is a foodie dude dare. All right, so we talked about it in our, was it a Christmas episode? And we talked about how the fact that a lot of our dude dares were foodie dude dares. One, because being lazy, there's a lot of stuff we're not willing to do or move for. But talking about during the holidays and everything, I realized at what point that the Bachelor, because I saw a lot of shows and I saw a lot of movies where there's the best friend who's a bachelor or a long life, like he can never hold down a girlfriend or whatever.
The
or
single
boyfriend.
guy
The,
who's part of the group,
classic, the cliche single guy, where he has buddies over or everybody or whatever, and he opens up the fridge or opens up the counters or the cupboards, and there's always that shot from inside the fridge where you can see just like the ketchup bottle. There's this bottle.
There's a jar of expired mustard, and there's a jar of pickles, and not much else.
So, when I saw that, it reminded me how much I've never had that experience of having so little in my fridge, so little in my
We
cupboard.
like food. We
like
keep a
food.
well-stocked
We like eating,
cupboard.
we like drinking, and just some of the pleasures in life. So I wanted our dude dare to boot. When it's a boot.
Oh, don't do that stereotype, dude.
So
Dude, don't do that stereotype.
this.
Oh,
Oh no! Calm down. It's okay.
it's empty.
We'll be okay.
It's empty.
So the setup. You're nervous, aren't you?
A little, because the footy ones are sometimes really nasty.
So this one is the single guy empty fridge meal.
Oh, that's going
Dude
to be
dare.
nasty. No.
So what we're gonna do is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So a good 6-pack, right? So we have a 6-pack of single guy empty fridge meal,
No.
and we'll do one step at a time. So the dude there is this. You need to take a bite, chew and swallow, and you're good to go to the next level. So if we both make it through the 6-pack, at that point the tiebreaker is we both get to choose the next meal that we have to complete.
We choose our own, or we choose the
No,
other
for
person's?
the other.
Oh.
Okay? So, if one of us loses the do dare, what you get is a proper Canadian snow face. You get to eat snow. So
Oh, the face wash.
face wash.
Okay, so
Become
southern
the-
fans who don't get a lot of snow, this is a thing up north where there's as a kid, at one point your friends would just kind of push you over into the snow and rub your face,
wash.
and you get what's called
So
a
you
face
want to
wash.
see a good the way it was done properly is in Dumb and Dumber.
Yes.
When he goes out on the date on this, and he goes for a ski date, and then at one point he gets hit by a snowball, and then he gets pissed off and he jumps on her and he gives her just right head in the snow. So that's
the consequence.
that's our consequence for this dude dare. All right. So what we're gonna start off with, I think we should have a good appetizer. So something.
Is anything in here actually good, or is this?
It's
is
all
anything expired?
individually.
Is
it's
anything
all
expired?
Good. Not that I know of.
Good.
Well, maybe the bread. The bread.
Yay, because we want to eat weird
Okay.
molds. Yay.
So, the first dude there is I pulled out of the fridge. In the back corner, there was ketchup. So what you're gonna do is get it tilt back,
just take a squirt of ketchup.
and I'm gonna squirt. Now it's gonna be weird. I'll squirt into my own mouth.
Yes, please do.
So take a squirt of ketchup to start off the dude dare. That's a lot of ketchup.
I like ketchup mildly on fries
Oh.
or burgers or hot dogs. But a big
Okay.
goop of ketchup on its own in my mouth?
To be honest, I've never done that ever. That's the first time I do that, and it's the last time I'll ever do that. And you still have to go.
So if
That's
I
a
quit
weird
now,
feeling, man. That's really, really
if I
odd.
quit now, it's a really short episode, isn't it?
It's a 3-minute episode. That's okay.
No. Alright, I can do this. I can do this. No, I'm nervous because I saw you do it.
Don't ruin. Oh, it's so bad.
Oh,
my
it's old, that's
God.
nasty.
Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh, okay, good job.
Good on fries, good on burgers and hot dogs.
Not on its own.
Oh.
Not on its own.
Ah.
I've always wanted to try that out. Thanks
Why?
for curiosity, man. Okay, so the next one.
That looks nasty. I know it's just a slice of processed cheese.
No, it's not.
But it's not.
Okay, it's a slice of processed cheese, but there's peanut butter in the middle.
What? Why would you put peanut butter?
Oh my
on-
god, that hurts.
First of all,
Ooh.
I'm probably going to offend a lot of people here, but processed cheese is not cheese.
That's not true. Don't say that.
It's not cheese.
It's total cheese.
No.
It's like the come on,
Cheese
man.
is... No. No.
Okay, so this is a cheese peanut butter sandwich, no bread.
It's just literally a folded slice of processed
Peanut
cheese
butter.
with what I can see inside a big dollop of peanut butter.
God. Okay, you ready for this? How big of a bite? You're going halfway?
Dude.
Halfway.
Dude.
Oh, you did not just do that. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, don't do that. Now I have to. Oh. Oh my God. I can't believe you just did that.
You know what's the worst part?
Mm.
It's not the peanut butter, it's the processed cheese.
Mm.
And I'm gonna sound like a cheese snob, but we never buy processed cheese at home. We always have actual real cheddar slices that we melt on our cheeseburgers or stuff like that.
Those in the
or
back
put
of
in
the
our
fridge.
sandwiches.
I think there's on individual slices, there's no best before date. So I have no idea how long that's been.
Because it's not real cheese.
All right.
Hang on, I gotta wash that out.
Okay. So, oh man, I forgot to get utensils for that one.
What the hell am I looking at?
I don't know how the hell we're gonna do that. We have to grab with our fingers.
Go get utensils, dude.
You want me to go get utensils?
Go get utensils.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Intermission. And we're back. Okay, so I see the spoon.
Grab your own.
Little tray. What is in here? That looks like KD.
Yeah, we have craft dinner.
Cold.
The meal of champions, cold.
Cold crab dinner. So that's mac and cheese for those who
Mac
don't know
and
what crab
cheese.
dinner is.
With
Is that salsa? That actually sounds good.
It was in the fridge, man.
Oh, I'd have this for dinner.
That's actually pretty good.
Yeah, this is not a challenge here.
No, that's actually pretty damn good. Cool.
Now, I don't want to fill up because we got other food, but I think we both passed this one.
That was good.
Yeah.
Cold mac and cheese with salsa. Actually, surprisingly, very good.
Sorry, dude.
Not on the Lazy
A little bit
Boy.
of salsa, Phil. Hang on.
Ew, you have salsa in your mouth and you're just putting it back on the freaking couch.
It's mainly on my jeans.
Okay. All right, next.
All right. Oh,
Okay.
you did that on purpose. You know I can't stand pickles. I loathe pickles. Pickles make me want to puke. You knew this. You planned this. You're like, I'm gonna put all the foods I like. Cheese and peanut butter, yum.
Oh my God. Oh.
I hate you.
Whew.
Oh,
Crack open a window, man. Get some heat, some fresh air in here. Okay. So.
Oh, pickles is one of my, pickles is like, if I were Superman, pickles is kryptonite.
So.
Oh,
This is a.
is that strawberry jam? Oh my God, that's nasty. It's a cracker with strawberry jam and a pickle on top.
On top. Oh my God. Whew. Hey, this was in the fridge. You ready for this? Okay.
No! No! Oh, you put the whole thing in your mouth too! Oh! Oh, you're gonna pay. You're gonna pay. Ready? 1, 2. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, pickles make me. I'm tasting pickle juice and jam right now. Oh, it's so gross. So gross. Wash it down, wash it down. Seriously, pickle juice and strawberry jam. How could you eat that? Ah!
Oh my god.
Ah!
Whoo!
Ah! Why?
Oh.
Ah! I'd rather get a face wash than eat that. Oh! Blah!
Oh.
Ah! Oh, that's nasty. Do you not taste the nastiness?
Yes, I do.
Ah!
Oh. All right. You ready for the next step?
I already failed one.
Yeah? But I haven't failed anything, so you got to keep going.
Oh, it's best of 6.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, there's still a chance. Although you pick these meals, you can handle this.
I've never had any of these, by the way. This is the first time for me, too.
Ah.
All right.
Oh, that
There we
tastes
go.
good. Oh.
Repeat performance. Okay,
Peanut butter and processed cheese.
let's get rid of that taste.
It won't stop. Make it stop.
Oh, my God.
Okay. So this looks like a crappy sandwich
It is a crappy sandwich.
with potato chips and hot peppers.
Yeah, that's all. It's bread, barbecue chips, and hot banana peppers. Got at
This
least
I
one
can
bite.
handle. This I can handle.
That's actually pretty good.
That is surprisingly good.
Oh, it is pretty good. Damn.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's like the mac and cheese with salsa. That's actually pretty good. All right, so we passed this one.
Okay. Oh.
Pickles and jam. Oh.
Mm.
All right, so that's 5.
So are you enjoying yourself so far?
No,
I'm talking to them.
I don't care. No. Pickles and
They're
jam.
the ones that count.
All right, so what's the...
So the final one, you gotta finish the Canadian way. Maple syrup.
Dude, that's not a challenge. That's a lifestyle.
Yeah.
What, so we have
So-
to chug maple syrup?
We can either chug it, or we could put it into a sugar glass.
Or you can just pop it in the IV right now, because baby, I can handle that.
What do you want? You call.
Well, for the sake of, I think, visual effect as well as personal hygiene, you got some shot glasses?
Yep. We're gonna be right back.
All right.
All right.
We're back. Thank you, sir.
All right.
All right, so I think we should talk a little bit about this maple syrup. This is a dark.
Dark.
This is a dark maple syrup. Oh,
Did I get
somebody- That's okay. I already got like salsa on here. It's the laundry day tomorrow. This is a dark maple syrup as opposed to a light. It usually comes in 5 grades: light, medium, medium dark, and dark.
We only know a lot about maple syrup.
We do well, duh.
Uh-huh.
So
So this is our dessert. So the last thing left in the fridge, the single stereotypical Hollywood single guy fridge.
well, the Canadian Hollywood because it's
the
maple
Canadian
syrup.
version. So bottoms up. Cheers, dude.
Oh man, that's good stuff.
That's awesome.
Uh,
That's freaking awesome. Yeah,
that makes up for the horrible pickles and jam.
that's a great way to finish.
Oh, see, that was not a challenge at all. I'd have seconds of this.
Yeah, that was pretty damn good.
All right, so I guess the score is 5-6.
Yes. So that means ding 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 jackpot, I win.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get a face wash, aren't I?
You're gonna get a face wash. You ready for this? Of course you're not.
No,
So
I don't like the cold either. I'm
We'll see
Canadian
you.
and I don't like the cold. Go figure.
we'll see you very shortly for the face wash.
Hang on, I need to warm up first. Okay, so I lost this dude there. I have to get my Canadian face wash. Of course, I'm wearing my scarf because it's cold out, so we gotta stay warm.
In Canada,
Oh,
oh
man, this is gonna
winter,
suck.
you have to wear a scarf. That's
All
it.
right.
You don't have to wear anything else.
So just to make sure we got a cropping, let's actually no, the further back we are, the better we'll
we're
see.
good. We're good. They
Okay.
can see us.
So right here. Ready? Hang on.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah! Ah! Oh, that's cold. Oh,
There
oh,
we
that's
go.
cold.
Oh, you're so pretty.
Oh, I know I'm pretty.
Wait a sec.
Oh.
You want to take? You want to take
Yeah,
a big
yeah,
go
my
for it.
hands are wet. My hands are cold and wet. Oh, hurry up, please. I'm freezing.
trying.
Oh,
Oh,
my
my
ears
God.
are full of snow.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, it's coming soon. We're gonna.
leave your sex tape.
Oh!
Ah!